Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AURI, OWUV, AABB, KYNC, AAPT, and TOMDF. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the percentage gain or the symbol, it will take you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. And after you sign up with your email, you can then download our free ebook, which is the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Just click the red button, download ebook on our thank you page. You can then also sign up with your mobile number for our text messaging alerts. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. And the best part is that both our email and our text messaging service are a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. As I said yesterday, the OTC comeback just started, and it continues with AURI up 84%, OWUV up 51%, AABB up 41%, KYNC up 32%, AAPT up 28%, and TOMDF up 17%. I really like the price action. There's certainly a lot of excitement, a lot of buzz on social media. You can tell on Twitter that people are interacting, excited about plays. They're finally starting to see some money made. And, as I said yesterday, guys, get ready. This OTC has been beaten down so hard that we're going to get a lot of 10-baggers. There's a lot of bounce bottom plays that are just getting ready to explode, that the selling is dried up. You got the market makers short, and the squeeze is going to be so extreme. It's going to be one of those, tear your face off rallies. For the big winner yesterday was AURI, up 84%. This is just a $6 million market cap, 00. These types of plays can really get moving hot. They put out a press release. They're getting ready to launch their website and development of its own crypto trading app. The press release was pretty light, but, people are just dying for new plays. And, it fit all the right categories: pink current, 00, low market cap. These are the types of plays we love at InsiderFinancial.com. Next up is OWUV. This has been a 10-bagger for our subscribers. You can go over to InsiderFinancial.com, go into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, and you can see One World Universe, a potential metaverse play. We talked about this on November 4th. You go over to November 4th, and it opened at 0.019. We still like OWUV. This is just a $28 million market cap, pink current metaverse play. These low market caps can, as I said, can really get running, and people are looking for, the next hot play, and, they're putting out press releases. There's a subsidiary of J. Craig Holding, and they're pretty active on Twitter. They're talking about the additional land the company's buying on the metaverse. They're doing a CEO interview on Friday. They got news releases coming. So, this is a company that's very active on social media, putting out PR, low market cap. I mean, what more can you ask for? And, as far as how high can OWUV go, well, it's just a $28 million market cap. Last year's big runner was Humble. At one point, it had a $8 billion market cap. OWUV, I think blue sky's the limit. This thing can really, really get going, and it's one that we still like. Buy dips, sell rips, trade around it, but if you got in on our original profile, congrats. It's a 10-bagger. Next up is AABB, and this one is catching a bid again. They're getting ready on December 28th. Is their launch date for their crypto exchange. They already have 150 crypto trading pairs have already been added and they're ready to go within the AABB wallet. So this is certainly exciting, and we think that with the catalyst coming up on December 28th, we're going to see this one continue moving higher. Next up is KYNC. This is just a double zero with a $24 million market cap. Really can get, was up at 4 cents over the summer. Again, this is another one that has 10-bagger written all over it. So, these are the types of plays that you need to be paying attention to, and that's why I'm covering. So everything that I'm talking about today are stocks that we have covered on insiderfinancial.com for our subscribers, and these are ones that you need to be paying attention to on the dips. Next up is AAPT, another one catching a bid. They have a $200 million deal. LOI, they're getting ready to close this acquisition, and they have just a $31 million market cap. This is a no-brainer, folks. They've already come out and said no reverse split, and they have maxed out their 3 billion shares outstanding. So don't have to worry about dilution here with AAPT. Penny plays, no dilution. These are the things that you need to learn to look for when it comes to trading OTC stocks. These are the types of plays that are really, really going to run, especially once the market gets hot again, which it just started yesterday. Last up is TOMDF. This is a $60 million market cap. Our biotech analyst, Chris Sandberg, he was out with a pre-market article yesterday. Why Totos Medical is running ahead of the pack. And I'll include a link in the description, but there's a lot to really like about TOMDF, and I'll read a little bit here. The company has just a market cap of $60 million. They have an interim readout coming in the coming weeks. Most likely, their expectations is for it to be a positive readout. He thinks the stock could easily reach a valuation of over $1 billion, which would be put the share price at $1.10, and it's trading at just 7 cents. So, the potential here is enormous. He sees the next valuation hurdle is $100 million, which would be 10 cents. And then, the social media chatter would get going. Basically, he sees it as a very credible threat to Pfizer with they have another 3CL protease inhibitor. The only other one that has that is Pfizer. So TOTOS is working on a competitor to Pfizer's 3CL protease inhibitor. If it's successful, I mean, what do you think this could be worth? I mean, if you look at the risk reward, you know, it's at 7 cents. Your downside is 7 cents, but you know, your upside, you know, could be over $1. So this one is really, really exciting. And, you know, as he says here, he sees multiple reasons. He lays out the bull case, why the run will continue. First and foremost, there's a massive valuation disconnect between the billions of value of an improved COVID-19 antiviral and the company's market cap. And if you look at what he talks about is that it's been a disconnect that's been created by artificial selling pressure from a convertible note holder churning through the note. It appears that this process is finally done and the buying pressure can bring TOMDF up to a reasonable valuation, such as a few $100 million. He also talks about TOTOS Medical and their COVID-19 testing business. They have its own lab and automated equipment. They've been securing contracts. Company also has a deal with a European nutraceutical company to provide at least 500,000 bottles of Tolavid over the next 18 months. This is the oral nutraceutical form of Tolavir, which is their 3CL protease inhibitors. And finally, you know, the convertible note selling is drying up. So you got that. The dilution is ending. Revenues are getting ready to start, and clinical results are imminent. So everything is really lining up for TOMDF. We urge you to, you know, go and read the latest article on insiderfinancial.com talking about TOTOS. And then you can also go into the magnifying glass, type in the symbol, and check out our full coverage of TOMDF. The first article was written back in June. He's been bullish all along when TOMDF was just 3 cents a share. So it's a double, but he thinks there's a lot more room to run. And Chris has a lot of credibility, a lot of experience in biotechs. He specializes in helping our subscribers find these types of plays early. So definitely you want to check out his full coverage on TOMDF. Overall, guys, there is a lot to like, a lot to be excited about on the OTC markets. We are very excited. We're getting ready to do a special report on the top bounce bottom plays for our subscribers. This is why it's so important to go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com to get this full report when we send it out. We send it out via email and SMS, which is a full report that you can start your research. And then from there, go to otcmarkets.gov and sec.gov to continue your research. But overall, like I said, the OTC bull is coming back. And guys, when it... I think this is going to be a bull market that is going to shock even the most optimistic investors out there. I think it's just been beaten down so long. The selling pressure has dried up, and you got the market maker short. I think the slightest buying coming in is really going to send these stocks flying, and we're already seeing it. You know, 84%, 51%, 41%, 32% gains. We're going to start seeing these types of moves every single day. And overall on the OTC, yesterday we had 2,737 advancers to 1,925 decliners. So there's more stocks running than declining. Healthy breath. This is what we look for, and this is why we are excited about this OTC comeback. We're going to make a lot of money, folks. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a great and profitable Thursday, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.